Kimchi Fried Rice is the ultimate Korean homemade food. The recipe is very easy and simple. I will show you one recipe and two ways to enjoy it. You obviously need kimchi and cooked rice. I'm using short grain rice for authenticity, but long grain rice works too. For additional protein, I have pork belly. Other popular choices include canned tuna, bacon, or even Spanish chorizo. I once tried it and it was surprisingly good. You also need onion, garlic, and spring onions. Butter is my special ingredient. This adds a creamy layer of flavor to the dish. Lastly, either an egg or cheese for the final topping. Now everything is ready, let's get cooking.
Let's make this one. Let's make this one. Money. Money. Stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now. Think about it till you black out. So get the